This is a brief tutorial for Rick and Reid on how to use TDO to put these cases together that we're doing at Perf. The first thing to do is go to the site and download your cases. That downloads to a destination you pick as a zip file. Then you go into that zip file and extract it. And after extractions, you'll have a folder on your hard drive with all of the images in it. Then you go ahead and download the free version of DaVinci Resolve. I would suggest getting the switcher and the fast editor as well. These are extremely useful devices, and they're all of $300. And after you get those, you'll be set up really to use Resolve and TDO to make incredible videos. I'll go over this in step 2 on how to actually get it in to TDO and use Resolve in step 3.